Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Plug in now and don't wait. Start with the Xuv500 powered on and your phone unlocked. You enable Bluetooth and USB on the phone, then plug the cable into the car's USB port while Android Auto is open. This first handshake triggers the car to recognize the device. You'll accept permission prompts for contacts and location. Once accepted, the head unit displays the Android Auto icon. Make sure the cable is firmly seated and the phone stays awake during this initial pairing step. Once connected, you switch the head unit to the Android Auto source and grant any remaining permissions like microphone and notifications so voice and messages work. From your phone's Android Auto settings, adjust app order and choose a default navigation app. This ensures routes open immediately when you ask. You also map steering wheel buttons to media and voice if available, and tweak touchscreen sensitivity in the car settings so taps register consistently. This reduces interruptions while driving. Finish by testing the full workflow. Say a navigation command, play music, and place a call so you confirm controls and audio routing. If Android Auto disconnects, you first restart the phone and the Xuv500 infotainment. If that fails, try a known good cable or another USB port. Make sure both the phone OS and the car's firmware are updated, and if apps misbehave, clear the Android Auto cache. This fixes most persistent glitches. If problems persist, note error messages and retry the pairing sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.